Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a bit quiet lately. I've been a bit busy. Also, I've not really been feeling 100% myself. I just don't know. I'm just feeling, it could be the weather. I think a lot of people I've spoken to are feeling a bit down, and I try really hard not to let it affect me. But when you wake up and it's dark and you come back home around 4 or 5 p.m. and it's already dark, you can see why places like, where is it in the world where it's always really dark and their depression levels are really high? Is it like Nordic countries? I don't know the facts. I'm not a geography girl. I've just been feeling a bit. Yeah, editing this video was fun. This is some of the footage that I hadn't got round to yet. It's from Greece. It was just absolutely amazing watching it back. I'm just in awe. I'm like, wow, as if I was there, as if I didn't savor every single moment in the sun. You know, when you go, well, on the boat, I'd go like underneath and sit in the inside bit. I should have taken every single second on the deck like that. Like sunbathing. These are some of my my last bits of Greece. I've got this video, and then I've also got one more video from Greece coming out. Oh, do you know what? I bloody wish I could live there for half the year. If I could move country and, you know, not affect my job and, you know, just have the lifestyle I have now, but half of it somewhere warm and half of it in the UK, I would so do that. But I just don't think that could be possible at the moment. Yeah, I hope you are all well, and I will see you in the outro. Good morning. We are sailing to the next island, which is Skinusa. I genuinely have always dreamt of being one of those girls that has a fit man massaging sun cream into them on holiday, and finally it happened. He didn't look that happy, but okay. It's currently midday, so this is what they call a swim stop in sailing world. No urgency, just chilling. How are you feeling, Dad?
I'm feeling great.
You've been a great cameraman.
Thank you.
Everyone's asking about you.
Thank you. Say hello to them. Give them my regards.
Right, I've just changed into a different bikini because if I'm going to be attempting to use this GoPro jumping into the sea, I've just got a feeling my other bikini's going to come down, so fingers crossed for this. I've been told it's waterproof. We're about to go find out. So we're going to probably dive off the boat, swim over to that beach, have lunch in that taverna just over there. So gorgeous. Imagine having a little house here. At this moment, I had 2 cameras rolling at the same time. It's recording. Shall I put my goggles on, Dad? By rolling, I just mean recording. I'm going to put this between my legs in a minute. Oh my god, do I look disgusting?
You look fantastic.
Let's just have a little peek what I look like. Oh wow, I am so gorgeous. Okay. So 2 cameras rolling at the same time, and I thought I would do a dual shoot diving into the sea. Who knew I was going to be this scared about jumping into some water?
Right. Good luck.
Thanks, Dad.
Fingers crossed.
Okay. I'm nervous.
1, 2, 3.
He told me this is waterproof.
If it's not?
I'm going to buy him a new one.
Okay, good luck.
Okay, thanks, Dad. 3, 2. Are these goggles tight enough? 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3.
Go.
2, 1. I'm going to swim with this camera now.
Bye. See you in a bit. I'll leave the camera here and follow you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Dad jumped in straight after me. Hey, Dad.
Hello.
Hello. Yesterday, Akila said, "You're a little fish. You can swim way faster than me." But the reality is that I'm not a little fish. And I get out of breath so easily. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. I absolutely loved it on holiday when Atch would pick up my camera or pick up the GoPro. You know, I haven't even had to tell him to do it, he just does it, and I really like that. It just makes me really happy that he has not only embraced my job. I think it's just the first time in a relationship I've ever felt accepted for what I do for a living. So yeah, it just felt really nice. We found ourselves at this cute little beach bar that you can only get to by swimming, because you can see the setting. It's literally just water beach bar, and it was so lovely. The locals that were there were really different to the locals in other places. They were a little bit more hippie. They were a bit more lax. Like, I think one of them had dreadlocks, but you can imagine that the life they have at this beach bar with this huge dog was very, very chilled.
Well, it's a long road if you've got weary bones.
Over there is a plane that was shot down from World War II, either by the Greeks, maybe by the Americans. I'm not too sure. I'm doing a voiceover now because I do explain this in the video, but there's so much wind on the microphone, it's actually painful to listen to. Here's a little preview.
But I'm going to jump in and have a look.
And then I asked Achille if he was coming, and he said no, I think because it's too cold. So I went in on behalf of the team and had a little look around for everyone.
Hey.
Yeah, don't laugh. This is serious business. One.
Hey.
By the way, I am muting all of this because you can hear how out of breath I am when I'm swimming, and it is so unattractive.
I found it!
She found it.
I've been in, had a look. Now my brother and Thalia are going in, so they're going to go and have a look. The rest of the boys just looked at my footage and started going, yeah, seen it, seen it.
Seen it now.
Seen it, because Leah's done it in the vlog. Way, go on Johnny. Nothing like a morning wake up. Fishing, and guess what we're using as fishing bait?
Do we have any chicken?
Cheese, yeah, there's chicken in the oven. Do you want me to get some?
They love chicken.
Do they?
Yes, I get chicken.
Alright, I'll go get the chicken from the oven. Alright. If the chicken works, I'm going to be amazed.
Yes, it works. I can tell you.
So my cousin started fishing with the chicken. It didn't work, but I'm sure it has worked for him in the past. I do believe him. He spends a lot of time out at sea. But I didn't see any fish reach for the chicken or the cheese.
Twisting tide, roll on by. The ancient mind has its light.
The rest of this is purely montage, so feel free to enjoy. Watch it, don't watch it, do the ironing, make a cup of tea, do whatever you will, but this was Greece and it was beautiful.
And it's a long way if you don't wanna stay. Don't close your eyes on a world that you've never seen, never seen. Don't close your eyes on a world that you've never seen, never seen. And as I lay a rose upon the ground, well, you're so
This is our little dinghy that we'd sometimes use to get from the main boat to the shore if we were feeling like we didn't want to get wet. Also at night time, you might have seen it in another vlog coming back from a restaurant up in the mountains.
Don't close your eyes on a world.
It's now the next day and I've just been to the gym As you'll see over there, there is a bed. This is my spare room / office, and this bed that's currently on the floor is going to be raised very soon. I can't wait for that. And there is a present over there that my mum got for Achillea, and we're pretty sure that it's a electric drill, so we can build the bed quicker than what it took us to build our bed, which was about 5 hours using just an Allen key. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching my Greece video. As I said at the start, there is one more Greece video coming, and I've enjoyed staggering them out because no one wants to be bombarded with happy holiday videos. Let's be real, no one comes on the internet to see other people having the best time of their life. They come here to find out the misery. Thank you so much if you've watched up until this point. That means a lot to me. I'm really grateful for you. And let's all speak in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon.